GPS says turn left now, but the sky says wait, check me out. Pink and orange bleeding white over fields on the other side. I missed the turn and you just smiled. Guess we're taking a scenic mile. Phones go down, minds wake up, watching daylight wrap itself up. We took a detour for the sunset, best wrong turn we've made yet. Chasing colors, falling off the day, letting all our worries drift away. We'll get home a little late, I bet, but I'd lose my way for this silhouette. Sometimes the best things that we get come from a detour for the sunset, for the sunset. Took a detour for the sunset, best wrong turn we've made yet. Chasing colors, falling off the day, letting all our worries drift away. We'll get home a little late, I bet, but I'd lose my way for this silhouette. Sometimes the best things that we get come from a detour for the sunset. But alive with glow, red dots floating in a steady flow. From a distance, all I see is a moving constellation in front of me. Radio whispers in a lullaby tone, even though I'm not alone. All these strangers share this ride underneath the midnight sky. Tin licked After waiting at a Jersey light, you start talking about your life last night. Words slip out like nervous rain. Little secrets, little pain. You stare straight at the blinking sign, like it's counting down to you'll be fine. I keep my eyes on the road ahead, but listen to every word you said. You say no confessions, spilling out between directions. Every blink's a little beat to the truth beneath our feet. No therapist, no sessions, just late night street impressions. Yeah, we heal in small progressions. We turn signal confessions. You say you're scared you'll stay the same, working hard in someone else's name. I laugh soft and shake my head. Can't you see how far you've led? We make that turn when it goes green, but you're not the person you used to be. With every word you let me see, you're rewriting your story. These turns said no confessions, spilling out between directions. Every blink's a little beat to the truth beneath our feet. No therapist, no sessions, just late night street impressions. Yeah, we heal in small progressions. The turn signal confessions. If the road could talk along, it would turn your down to song. These turn signal confessions. No confessions, spilling out between directions. Every blink's a little beat to the truth beneath our feet. No therapist, no sessions, just late night street impressions. Yeah, we heal in small progressions. We turn signal confessions. We turn signal confessions. I drive home from another long shift, hands still sore, but my heart's mid-lift. I trace the yellow lines ahead like they're words that you once said. Don't give up, you're almost there. Your voice echoes in midnight air. Every bend and every turn feels like something I still learn. These yellow lines, they promise there's more than just this. More than paychecks and alarms, more than scars on both my arms. If I just keep moving on, soon this chapter's gonna be gone. Yeah, the road keeps telling me there's a better place I'll see. Street lamps flicker like they're tired too, but they still shine just like you. I clutch the wheel and breathe in slow, let the engine's comfort grow. Maybe I'm not there tonight, but I'm closer than last night. As long as pain's beneath my tires, I'll chase down my quiet fire. These yellow lines, they promise there's more than just this, more than paychecks and alarms, more than scars on both my arms. If I just keep moving on, soon this chapter's gonna be gone. Yeah, the road keeps telling me there's a better place I'll see. If hope had a color sign, it'd be this glowing yellow line. These yellow lines, they promise. These yellow lines, they promise there's more than just this, more than paychecks and alarms, more than scars on both my arms. If I just keep moving on, soon this chapter's gonna be gone. Yeah, the road keeps telling me there's a better place I'll see. Street lamps flicker like they're tired too, but they still shine just like you. I clutch the wheel and breathe in slow, let the engine's comfort grow. Playlist shuffled on its own, pulled a song I hadn't known. First few chords hit my chest like they've been waiting with the rest. Lyrics talking about letting go, about not caring who says no. I smiled wide at the traffic jam, thinking, yeah, that's who I am. Now playing freedom through these worn-out speakers. Every word I'm singing makes my doubts feel weaker. No stage, no kingdom, just my car and this feeling. I don't need a bigger sign than this chorus in my mind. I replay it at every light. Feels like armor for the fight. World keeps trying to drag me down. This beat keeps turning me around. If tomorrow feels too cold, I'll hit repeat and I'll be bold. As long as music finds my ear, I won't drown in all the fear. Now playing freedom through these worn-out speakers. Every word I'm singing makes my doubts feel weaker. No stage, no kingdom, just my car and this feeling. I don't need a bigger If courage had a sound, I swear it's this hook stuck in the air. Now playing freedom through these worn out speakers. Every word I'm singing makes my doubts feel weaker. No stage, no kingdom, it's my car and this feeling. I don't need a bigger sign than this chorus in my mind. Freedom through these worn out speakers. Every word I'm singing makes my doubts feel weaker. No stage, no kingdom, just my car and this feeling. I don't need a bigger sign than this chorus in my mind. Playlist shuffled on its own. Pulled a song I had in mind. Same old town with the same old talk. Same four streets where the same folks walk. I've been shrinking just to fit this place. Time to find a bigger space. Throw my suitcase in the backseat fast. Leave a note saying thanks for the past. Mirror shows a nervous grin, but the key turns and I'm all in. I'm on a highway to somewhere better. Don't know the name, just chasing weather. Where the sky feels wide and my chest does too. Where my dreams aren't too big for you. Streets half empty, but my mind's wide awake. Got a full tank heart and a half-healed ache. Yellow lines flick flicker like a film on loop. Every mile pulls me out of that old truth. Phone face down in the passenger seat. No more waiting on a message you'll delete. I've been holding on way too tight. Now I'm letting go in the city lights. Engine humming like it knows my name. Tonight I'm done playing your game. On this midnight freeway, I'm finally breathing. Every exit sign says best believe it. I'm not driving back to yesterday. I'm burning up the hurt along the way. Headlights cutting through the ghosts I knew. In the rearview, I'm losing you. On this midnight freeway, I'm okay. Let the broken pieces fade away. Billboard shining with somebody's dream. I used to think we were that team, but I got plans you're not in anymore. New horizons past this door. City sleeps while my soul rewrites all the chapters where we picked wrong fights. I'm not bitter, I'm just free. You were a stop, not the whole journey. If the road could talk, it'd say move on. If the sky could sing, it'd be this song. On this midnight freeway, I'm finally breathing. Every exit sign says best believe it. I'm not driving back to yesterday. I'm burning up the hurt along the way. Headlights cutting through the ghosts I knew. In the rearview, I'm losing you. On this midnight freeway, I'm okay. Let the broken pieces fade away. On this midnight freeway. On this midnight freeway. On this midnight freeway, I'm finally breathing. Every exit sign says best believe it. I'm not driving back to yesterday. I'm burning up the hurt along the way. Headlights cutting through the ghosts I knew. In the rearview, I'm losing you. On this midnight freeway, I'm okay. Let the broken pieces fade away. On this midnight freeway. On this midnight freeway. On this midnight freeway. On this midnight freeway. You in shotgun with your feet pulled up, laughing while you spill your cup. Me on the wheel with my bad advice, saying let's get lost, roll the dice. Outside it's just two simple lanes, paint on tar, 100 stains. But somehow when it's me and you, this whole road feels brand new. Two lanes, one world, just a boy and just a girl. But the way you look at me turns this highway to a galaxy. We don't need a bigger swirl, we're our own exploding pearl. It's us against the swirl on these two lanes. One world, you tell stories with your hands in air about dreams you're too scared to share. I say do it, what's the harm? You smile and squeeze my arm. Radio low, your voice the track. Every word keeps pulling me back to this moment, to this seat, to this map runs out, we'll keep rolling on this route. Too late, one world, just a boy and just a girl. Yeah, we don't need a bigger swirl. We're our own exploding pearl. Yeah, it's us against the swirl on these two lanes. One world. You jump in, shoes untied, laughing before we even drive. Snack bags tossed in the backseat mess. You say this chaos, I love it best. We got no map, just a playlist cue. First song hits and I look at you. Sun hits your face like a movie frame. Suddenly the whole road feels like our game. It's just miles and smiles, rolling on for endless miles. With your hand waving out the window wide, singing off key, but you're still my pride. We don't need a perfect plan, just your laugh. Yeah, the journey is worth the trials if it's full of miles and smiles. We stop for gas at a nowhere town. You try on hats, I write lines down, turning little moments into gold. Stories we'll tell when we're too old. The future's big, but today's just right. Driving into a pink-orange light. If home's a place, it's also you, sitting here in this front seat view. It's just miles and smiles, rolling on for endless miles. With your hand waving out the window wide, singing off key, but you're still my pride. If we break down, we'll still be fine. We'll dance on the side of the dotted line. It's just miles and smiles, rolling on for endless miles. With your hand waving out the window wide, singing off key, but you're still my pride. We don't need a perfect plan, just your laugh and my right hand. Yeah, the journey's worth the trials if it's full of miles and smiles. If we break down, we'll still be fine. We'll dance on the side of the dotted line. It's just miles and smiles, shoes untied and laughing before we even drive. Snack bags tossed in a backseat mess. You say this chaos, I love it best. We got no map, just a playlist cue. First song hits and I look at you. Sun hits your face like a movie frame. Suddenly the whole road feels like our game. It's just miles and smiles rolling on for endless miles. With your hand waving out the window wide, singing off key, but you're still my pride. We don't need a perfect plan, just your laugh in my right hand. Yeah, the journey's worth the trial if it's full of miles and smiles. We stop for gas at a nowhere town. You try on hats, I write lines down, turning little moments into gold. Stories we'll tell when we're too old. The future's big, but today's just right. Driving into a pink-orange light. If home's a place, it's also you. Sitting here in this front seat view. If we break down, we'll still be fine. We'll dance on the side of the dotted line. It's just miles and smiles rolling on for endless miles. With your hand waving out the window wide, singing off key, but you're still my pride. We don't need a perfect plan, just your laugh and my right hand. Yeah, the journey's worth the trials if it's full of miles and smiles.
You said I'm tired, take the wheel. So I slide in front and spin the field. You're climbing back with your headphones on, but I see you watching every dawn. City lights mirror on the tinted glass, like wet paint from a broken past. You may hide behind your screen, but I know you still chase a dream. These backseat city lights reflect your quiet fights. You're not just a shadow in the glow. You're a story we don't know. If the world feels big tonight, let this car be your small light. Yeah, I'll drive through all these sights while you heal it in backseat city lights. You pretend to sleep at every stop, but your eyelids shake with every drop. You say I'm fine with a crooked grin, but the truth leaks out again. That's okay, you don't have to speak. Just let the road hold what's weak. We'll ride until the noise grows dim and your heart can breathe again. the quiet of this car. These backseat city lights reflect your quiet fights. You're not just a shadow in the glow. You're a story we don't know. If the world feels big tonight, let this car be your small light. Yeah, I'll drive through all these sights while you heal in backseat city lights. These backseat city lights reflect your quiet fights. You're not just a shadow in the glow. You're a story we don't know. They said I'm driving safe a wheel, so I slide in front and spin the field. You're climbing back with your headphones on, but I see you watching every dawn. City lights mirror on the tinted glass, like wet paint from a broken past. You may hide behind your screen, but I know you still chase a dream. These backseat city lights reflect your quiet fights. You're not just a shadow in the glow. Your story we don't know. If the world feels big tonight, let this car be your small light. Yeah, I'll drive through all these sights while you're healing backseat city lights. While you're healing backseat city lights. You pretend to sleep at every stop, but your eyelids shake with every drop. You say I'm fine with the crooked grin, but the truth leaks out again. That's okay, you don't have to speak. Just let the road hold what's weak. We'll ride until the noise grows dim and your heart can breathe again. You're allowed to fall apart in the quiet of this car. These backseat city lights reflect your quiet fights. You're not just a shadow in the glow. You're a story we don't know. If the world feels big tonight, let this car be your small light. Yeah, I'll drive through all these sights. Stuck behind what's safe and slow, watching all my chances go. Blinker on, but I hesitate. How long am I gonna wait?
Then I see an opening appear, wide enough to lose the fear. I press the gas and cross the line, leave the old me far behind.
I've got a lane change heart, moving on from where we start. I won't stay in the comfort zone till my dreams turn into stone. I'd rather risk, I'd rather dart through the dark to find my spark. Yeah, I'll play my reckless part with this brave lane change heart. People honk, but I don't mind. They don't see the storm inside. Sometimes life's a crowded road. You gotta fight to break the code.
I might miss a turn or two, but I'll keep chasing something new. Better wrong and wide awake than half alive and playing safe.
I've got a lane change heart, moving on from where we start. I won't stay in the comfort zone till my dreams turn into stone. I'd rather risk, I'd rather dart through the dark to find my spark. Yeah, I'll play my reckless part with this brave lane change heart. If I crash, at least I flew, not just stare at what I knew. I've got a lane change heart, moving on from where we start. I won't stay in the comfort zone till my dreams turn into stone. I'd rather risk, I'd rather dart through the dark to find my spark. Yeah, I'll play my reckless part with this brave lane change heart. Alarm went off, but I hit ignore. Got no time for same day anymore. Grab my keys and a too-strong brew. Chase the sunrise like it's something new. Everyone's stuck in the middle line, playing safe till they run out of time. But my heart's got a different plan. Push the pedal, be my own kind of man. I'm a left lane living, going a little too fast, chasing every second like it might be my last. I don't wanna coast through a half-lived life. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. I want highway hearts. If I miss a turn, I'll make my own way. Speeding through the doubt past Sunday. This is my kind of winning. windows down and left lane living. Mom keeps saying, boy, slow down. Friends keep calling me a dreamer clown, but they never felt this rush inside. When the world gets small in a fast car ride, I'll take the risk, I'll take the fine. Before I flatline in a straight old line, the only traffic I accept is the crowd cheering when I've left. The fear is the break. I'm cutting the wire. I'd rather burn out than lose the fire. I'm left lane living, going a little too fast, chasing every second like it might be my last. I don't wanna coast through a half-lived life. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. I want highway hearts and a wild sunrise. I want highway hearts. I'm left lane living. I'm left lane living.
Clouds rolled in without a sound. First few drops on the window pane. You say, should we pull aside? I say, nah, let's enjoy the ride. Rain writes patterns on the glass. Wipers dance as the moments pass. We fall quiet in the silver noise, like the world just lost its voice. Oh, let the rain on the roof be our only proof that sometimes storms can feel like home when you're not facing them alone. We'll drive slow through this mood. You with me, I'm good. Every drop is a little truth, falling as rain on the roof. Let the rain on the roof be our only proof that sometimes storms can feel like home when you're not facing them alone. We'll drive slow through this mood. You with me, I'm good. Every drop is a little truth, falling as rain on the roof. Eyes too heavy, lane lines blur. Radio's just a distant purr. Sign says motel exit 1. Neon letters barely run. We pull off to that lonely place.
faded paint and empty space, but there's a charm in broken things, like this room with squeaky springs. In this overnight highway motel, we got stories we could tell. Peeling wallpaper, buzzing light, still feels perfect for tonight. We'll crash and dream, and then we'll go back to chasing tomorrow's glow. But for now, we're doing well in this overnight highway motel. Ice machine rattles down the hall, someone's TV through the wall, but wrapped up in this cheap white sheet, even nowhere feels complete. I don't need a five-star stay, just a roof till break of day. Tomorrow's road will call again, but tonight this is where we end. In this overnight highway motel, we got stories we could tell. Peeling wallpaper, buzzing light, still feels perfect for tonight. If home is where I rest my head, then this small room's home instead. In this overnight highway motel, in this overnight highway motel, we got stories we could tell. Peeling wallpaper, buzzing light, still feels perfect for tonight. We'll crash and dream, and then we'll go back to chasing tomorrow's glow. But for now, we're doing well in this overnight highway motel. Flickering lights on a dusty sign, open all night in a crooked line, pulling in with a heavy head, fill the tank, fix the tread. Grab 2 sodas from the fridge inside, laughing at the way we live our lives. Cheap snacks, big talk on the hood of the car, dreams parked under these neon stars. Under this gas station halo,